Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Auth middleware in Next.js for mobile APIs step by step clearly. To authorize with Auth middleware in Next.js for mobile APIs, start by setting up your Next.js project. Ensure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Create a new Next.js project by running the command npx create next app your project name. Navigate to your project directory. You can use a library like JonWebToken for handling tokens by executing npm install JonWebToken. Now, you can do this by creating a constant called secret_key. Now, create a middleware function named auth middleware. In this function, extract the token from the request headers. If no token exists, return a response with status 401 and a message indicating unauthorized access. If a token is found, verify it using the JonWebToken.verify method. If verification fails, again return a response with status 401. On successful verification, you can attach the decoded user information to the request object. This allows you to access the user data in subsequent API routes. Next, import your auth middleware in your API route file. You usually find your API routes in the pages/API directory. Wrap your API route handler with the auth middleware function. This step ensures that the middleware checks for authorization before processing requests. Now, verify that your API route is secured by testing it with a valid token. Send requests using tools like Postman or curl to ensure unauthorized requests receive the correct response. You can further expand your middleware by adding role-based authorization checks if needed. Finally, run your Next.js application with the command npm run dev. This step will allow your application to listen for incoming requests on your defined endpoint. By following these steps, you have successfully implemented auth middleware in Next.js for mobile APIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.